Water pollution. Children, do you know how does water get dirty? What are the causes of pollution? Let's find out. When we throw waste products into rivers from our homes, some factories allow waste to flow into water bodies. So, waste products thrown into rivers from factories, washing clothes in water bodies, and bathing animals in water leads to water pollution. Water may always not be clean. Drinking dirty water causes illness because it contains germs. Hence, we should purify water before drinking. Cleaning of water. The harmful impurities in water can be removed by these methods, boiling and filtering. So let's learn about this method. Boiling water or filtering water using a water filter or water purifier are some of the methods to purify water. Filtering removes the impurities present in water. Boiling is the best way to purify water because boiling kills the germs, and we should boil water for at least 15 to 20 minutes. And it is better to drink mineral water for good health. We should keep the water in clean and covered vessels. Do not forget to wash hands before handling water. Children, do you know how does water reach our homes? Yes, the water stored in tanks and reservoirs is filtered and disinfected to make it germ-free and pure before it reaches our homes through taps. Children, do you know the major part of our earth is covered with water? Therefore, earth is also called the blue planet because it has more water than land. There is very little fresh water available on earth for drinking because we cannot use the water of the oceans and seas as it is very salty. Very little water is available for drinking. We must not waste it. So, we should not waste water while washing, brushing, and bathing. We must turn off the tap when we are not using it. Like this, we can save water. We must repair leaking pipes and taps immediately if there is a leak in the pipes. Do not wash clothes or bathe animals in water bodies. This makes the water dirty. We can store water in many ways. Water can be stored in dams, canals, lakes, ponds, and tanks. We store water in buckets, pots, and tanks in our homes. We can also save rainwater by collecting in tanks, in buckets, and by water harvesting method. Imagine very little water is available for drinking. So it is very important to save water. All the living things die if there is no water. So we should not waste water. Children, now you know that how water is important in our life. So water is very precious. Every drop counts. So we must save water. So, my dear students, remember, air and water are our lifelines. Try to keep them clean and healthy for all living things on the earth. you.